Good morning, my little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am your Reena ma'am. Welcome to nursery class. Children, you have learnt about different flowers in earlier session, right? So today we will do revision of different flowers which you have already learned. Okay? This is a rose. It is red in color. This is a lotus. It is pink in color. It is our national flower. This is a daisy. It is white and yellow in color. These are jasmine. They are white in color. These are tulips. They are pink in color. These are marigold. They are yellow or orange in color. This is a sunflower. It is yellow in color. Children, do you know sunflower turns towards the sun? This is a hibiscus. It is red in color. It is also known as shoe flower. This is a daffodil. It is yellow in color. These are lilies. They are pink in color. These are periwinkle flowers. Children, do you know periwinkle has 5 petals. So it is also known as 5 petals flower. They are pink and white in color. Children, have you been to a garden? Yes. What do you see in a garden? Trees, plants, different flowers, right? We can see flowers in different shape, size and color. So today we will sing a song about different flowers. Let us see a sunflower, bright yellow sunflower. It is called a happy flower. Let us see a sunflower. Let us see the lovely rose, red, pink, white, yellow rose. Soft are the petals of the rose. Let us see the lovely rose. Let us see the tulips bloom, red, yellow, brown and white, bell-shaped like a bulb in the room. See the tulip shining bright. Let us see the daisies bright, yellow disc and the petals white. Bees on the daisies outside. Let us see some daisies bright. Let us see the jasmine flower, white and fragrant jasmine flower, delicate dainty jasmine flower. Let us see the jasmine flower. Let us see the bright lotus, does not sink in the water, floating leaves of the fragrant lotus. Let us see the bright lotus. Let us see some beautiful lilies, white, pink, red, orange, yellow lilies. Let us see some beautiful lilies. Let us see some beautiful lilies. Let us see some marigold, yellow, orange marigold, cherry blooms of the marigold. Let us see some marigold. So children, have you enjoyed this song? Yes? Okay. Now, I will give you a practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to color the flowers. Means, बच्चों आपको सिर्फ फ्लावर्स में ही कलर करना है, बाकी सारे जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उनमें कलर नहीं करना है. ठीक है? We will solve this worksheet in next session. Keep practicing at home. Bye bye children. Take care.